In this video, I'll be giving you a tour of balcony room C712 aboard the Discovery Princess.
Okay, so here we are. So you walk in, and immediately you have your light switches here. And then there's a full-size mirror. And then to your left, it's like a whole closet situation here. I have never seen that in a cruise cabin. I like it. So it's got the shelf up top that goes all the way across. And then, okay, so those lights just went out. Why? Not sure. Have to investigate that. Let's see. So you have your light switches. There. I'm not sure why this light just went out. There, it just came back on. And so here is the bathroom. So you have two hooks on the back of the door. And you have like a full-size hand soap and lotion. I really like that. Eucalyptus and sea salt by Lotus Spa. Three shelves that go up here. And there is a curtain for the shower. They left some hair for me in my bathtub. Okay, princess. I'm not okay with that. Let's see what the toiletry situation is. Okay, we got a shower gel, and then we have a shampoo and conditioner combo, which is probably okay for most people, but we know my curly hair does not go for that. We'll just use it as shampoo, and I brought my own conditioner.
There is a USB outlet on each of the lamps by the bed. However, on this side of the bed, there are no electrical outlets, just the USB. And these two switches, one works the main light and the other works the lighting above the bed. This is a queen size bed that can also be separated into two twin beds if you request that. I did find the beds on the Discovery Princess to be the most comfortable bed that I have ever slept on a cruise ship. There is another lamp on this side of the bed with a USB port also, and a desk or vanity area attached, which I found to be quite convenient. There are two European outlets here, as well as an American outlet, and no USB or USB-C ports. I have linked in the description below a cruise-approved power strip non-surge protector that has 3 outlets, 2 USB and 2 USB-C ports. I always bring this when I cruise, just in case I come upon a situation where there's not enough. There are 3 drawers on the right side of the vanity, and the first one has your blow dryer, and it is one of those situations where the blow dryer is kind of plugged in and attached to the drawer, so you will have to use it at the vanity. There are 2 other full-size drawers, plenty big enough to put clothes in, very convenient. The chair was very comfortable, and you have a small garbage can in the room. On this side, you have your mini fridge, or cooler rather. I always call it a mini fridge, but they're quick to tell you that it doesn't really refrigerate items, it just keeps them cool. I love the fact that there are several mirrors in this cabin, so if you have several people sharing a room, there's an abundance of places to get ready and get your makeup just right. I found the balcony to be the perfect size to sit out and enjoy my breakfast in the morning, to enjoy the views and the nice breeze. If you want to find out what it was like to sail on the Discovery Princess, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell to catch my next video where I take you along with me on Embarkation Day. It'll be the first in a series that will show you all the things you can expect while sailing on this beautiful ship. Until next time, and as always, happy cruising.